Window installation in Washington, D.C. is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our expert team specializes in window installation in Washington, D.C., ensuring that every window fits perfectly and functions optimally. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows D.C. or custom windows Washington, we provide top-notch services tailored to your needs. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our energy-efficient windows D.C. are designed to keep your home insulated, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. With our window consultation D.C., we help you choose the best options for your home, ensuring maximum efficiency and savings. Custom Windows Washington offer a unique touch to any home, allowing for personalized designs that match your aesthetic preferences. Our Custom Windows Washington service provides a wide range of styles, including bay windows D.C., casement windows Washington, and awning windows D.C. Each window is crafted to meet your specific requirements, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Double-hung windows D.C. are a classic choice for many homeowners, offering both functionality and style. These windows are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical option for any home. Our double-hung windows D.C. service ensures that you receive high-quality products that enhance your home's appearance and functionality. Vinyl windows Washington, D.C. are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our Vinyl Windows Washington, D.C. service provides a variety of styles and colors to choose from, ensuring that your windows complement your home's design. These windows are also energy efficient, helping you save on energy costs. Window replacement services D.C. are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our team offers comprehensive window replacement services D.C., addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. We ensure that your windows are restored to their original condition, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Window replacement Washington is a service that can significantly enhance your home's value and energy efficiency. Our Window Replacement Washington service offers a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows, custom designs, and various styles. We ensure that your new windows are installed correctly and function optimally. Window Maintenance D.C. is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they function properly. Our Window Maintenance D.C. service includes regular inspections, cleaning, and minor replacements to keep your windows in top condition. This service helps prevent costly replacements and replacements in the future. Window Cleaning Washington, D.C. is an essential service for maintaining the appearance and clarity of your windows. Our Window Cleaning Washington, D.C. service uses professional techniques and products to ensure your windows are spotless and streak-free. Regular cleaning helps prevent buildup and extends the life of your windows. Washington Window Tinting Services D.C. offer both aesthetic and functional benefits, providing privacy and reducing glare. Our window tinting services D.C. include a variety of options to suit your needs, whether you're looking to enhance your home's appearance or improve energy efficiency. We ensure a professional application for long-lasting results.